Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tunas Ranch. Now we're gonna work on selling this beautiful property. It's 107 feet by 1,600 deep. So I'm gonna show you all the way back there. We have 7 camping sites over here. This is the first one. We have the second one over here. Third, fourth. This is number, I don't even know what number this is. We got another one here and here. I know this is number 7. Beautiful cactus. Left, got my deer feeders over here for hunting. And we are almost all the way back. And we're at the back. And I have red ribbons at every corner. There it is. Now we're going back to the front on the other trail. Now we're coming back on the other side, and you can see the deer feeders right there somewhere. And we have the deer blind right there where all the action happens. Beautiful cactus and brush. Another camping site. And we're coming to the end of the road on the front. So if you're interested in putting your mobile home or build your own home in Yancey, Texas, only like about 50 minutes from San Antonio, Texas, send me a message, get in touch with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Adios, amigos.